Oh, hey. I didn't even notice you there. Seeing as we are in a digital acting class today, I thought it'd be kind of cool that, like, I don't even have to be here right now. I mean, I could be, where could I be? I know, I could be in, like, Hawaii. Wow, Hawaii is amazing. This is such a great place. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. You're tuned into Acting with CJ, and today we're going to start with some vocal warm-ups. Okay, so I need you to stand with your feet on the ground, and you're just going to start by breathing in. I need a hum. If you put your hands on your chest, you should be able to feel your chest vibrating with the hums. Good one. And now we're also going to do some oohs and ahs. So you're going to try and tighten your tummy muscles, and you're going to go ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Those ones are really fun, actually. And to get our mouths all nicely warmed up, we're just going to give them a little massage. Ah, it's so nice to massage your face. Our faces never get massages. I mean, all the other parts of our body do, but never our face. Ooh. And now, we get to poke our tongues out. And your mum says don't poke your tongue out, but this time you're allowed to say, Mum, I'm doing an acting class, so she'll let you. So, tongues out. Good. And now, my favourite one, which is the most fun, you get to stand in the mirror, and we're going to do what's called a lion and a mouse. So, to be a mouse, you have to scrunch your face up as small as you can. And to be a lion, you have to open it as wide as you can. A mouse and lion. A mouse and lion. I hope you've had fun with those vocal warm-ups. We are going to move on to body warm-ups. So before we get into class, I'd like everyone to just shake their sillies out, shake them all out. Great. And now, one of my favourite ones, which is where we're going to put our arms up, and we're going to move our hands, elbows, shoulders, and then we're going to drop our heads. So back up again. We're going to do hands, elbows, shoulders, heads, and slowly come back up. And we're going to do it one more time. Hands, elbows, shoulders, heads, and pop back up. And now we're all warm and ready to get started with our first game. So, the game I'm going to teach you today is called Don't Sit on the Chair. Okay, and what you need is you just need a chair and you need a friend or a sibling or anyone to help you. Okay, so what happens is you say, don't sit on the chair because you might turn into an evil scientist. And the chair's actually magic because it can change your voice, it can change your body, it could even change the weather. So as soon as you sit on that chair, you take on the character. Here we are in the science lab. The chair really is magic. Remember, when I sit in the chair, I have to turn into an evil scientist. Okay, here goes. Ha ha! My name is Albie, and I am an evil scientist who's going to take over the world! But don't be scared. It's actually just me, CJ. I'm actually pretending to be an evil scientist, and that's what we do in acting. We pretend to be other people, and we change our voice, and we can put wigs and costumes on, and then we look like completely different people. See? Hey, you're back with Acting with CJ. Now, we're going to look at scripts. Now, scripts are a piece of text that writers write. You know when you watch TV and you watch people having a conversation? They're not actually saying that. I mean, they are, but I mean, somebody wrote it for them. So now we're going to learn how to read a text and how to perform it. So, this says, hey, where did everybody go? I give up. I counted to 100 like you said. It took a really long time. Where is everybody? I said I give up. I can't find you. Now that piece of text can be played in many different ways. For example, if we were in a haunted house, I might read it like this. Hey, where did everybody go? I give up. I counted to 100 like you said. It took a really long time. Where is everybody? I said I give up. I can't find you. Or you could play it like you're at the playground with your best friends. Hey, where did everybody go? I give up. I counted to 100 like you said. It took a really long time. Where is everyone? I said, guys, I give up. I can't find you. A person called a director might tell you which way they want to play it. Like for the haunted house, for example, that might be in the story. But if you were to play it like a haunted house, but the story was actually about kids on the playground, that might not fit. So it depends on the story and who your character is. So if you guys find some text from your favourite movie or book, then give it a go yourself. Remember to think about the character, where they are, and how they might be feeling. Before we go today, guys, we're going to take a look at what some of our students have been working on.
Hello, I am Patricia Bonas. I am a movie star and I am glorious. I am 30 and I have no children, so my time is free. My name is Delight Rocco and I make sculptures of heads and anything else. I'm totally 45. I'm great at basketball. And I have a basketball hoop at home. Hey, where did everybody go? Where did he go? I give up.
I counted to 100 like you said.
It took a really long time.
Where is everybody? I said I give up.
I can't find you. I've been looking for ages. I give up. I can't find you. Can anybody hear me? This isn't funny anymore, guys. Come out, wherever you are. Come on, guys. Let's play a different game.
We could play tag outside, or maybe we could have a snack.
Snack and play video games. I'll let you guys play first.
I promise. Just come out. I can't find you.
Guys, just come on out. I can't find you. Okay? I give up. What more do you want from me? Guys? Hey, guys? Hello! Guys?
And look at that, I'm back in the studio. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today on Acting with CJ, our first ever episode. It's very exciting. And don't forget to keep practicing and make sure you stay in contact. You've been watching Acting with CJ. Bye guys.